Hello guys, welcome to my channel Network Simple, and today we're gonna see how wireless are configured. So we have the pre-shared key, which is your Wi-Fi. Open authentication means anyone can join in. Then we have the authentication with pre-shared key, which is that when you connect with your Wi-Fi, right? The Wi-Fi already has already has the password. So when you just enter the password, that's it. Then you have the EAP Extensible Authentication Protocol, which is doing with the WLC WLAN controller. And then you have the web authentication, where you lead the people into a page. So, but yeah, web authentication you will see a lot in the malls. So open authentication, they use the standards of 802, the Wi-Fi part, and this is how you configure. You just go to layer 2 security, and then you're done, and you just change the policies, and then you do the pre-shared key. Now with the pre-shared key, you have WPA 1 and 2 or 3. They are the old version of authentication, and this is I added a video, like this is the new version of in strengthening Wi-Fi security. See this guy's video. I will attach it down. So he explains how there is like, this is what he said. I tried to get from the chat GPT, but this is how he said. Before the handshake, what happens, and the 4-step process that goes in the AP. Now with the new part, there is a 4-step process. So this is the second, third step. This is each step, what's happening. So you have the 4-step process. And the Wi-Fi, how the attacker gets the Wi-Fi. And that is it. Then you just configure the PSK. This is how you configure the these are the settings, how to set it up. Verify PSK authentication, you verify it. Then this is how you look at it. Okay, so for authenticating the extensible, we will now rely on the explanation from the ChatGPT, because it should be one word. Okay, so we have the supplicant. Supplicant are the client device, the WLAN and the radius server. So this is now how to configure the WLC with the radius server. Then you have this. First you will go configure. Then you have, after enabling, you will choose the WA. You will enable. So these are the type of encryption, by the way. Not so, not so very focused area. Use radio. Still selecting the radius server to authenticate clients in the WLAN. Defining a local EAP on a profile. Then you will set the name. Configure local EAP profile. You will then go this is the part. Local EAP. PEAP. Then tell the EAP to use the beep. Then you have the enabling. So this is what just happened. Verification, connect users. Then we will reach the web authentication. Configuration. Layer 3. This. Configure the authentication page. Then you will have your list to pass through. And we are done. So that's it. Even though I didn't talk too much, but this is the main part I want to see. I didn't want it to show you guys. It's kind of useless to read all them. It's just how to configure the external devices and too much. The other part is, they're giving more extra information, network user. Then you have to, by default, then you got these steps. So I'm just showing you the steps.